Thanks for tuning in, and welcome back to another Technique Thursday. Before we start, just a quick reminder that if you like what you see and are interested in learning proper exercise technique, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the exercise technique videos. Also, if you have any questions, ask them down in the comment section and we'll either respond to you directly in the comment section or answer your questions during our weekly Sunday Q&A. Alright, time to demonstrate the exercise.
The exercise we will be demonstrating for you will be the Heel-Elevated Barbell Front Squat. To perform the Heel-Elevated Barbell Front Squat, flex the elbows and cross the arms in front of the chest. Move your body to position the bar evenly on your anterior deltoids without touching it with the hands. Once your body is in the correct position, place your hands on top of the bar and use pressure from the fingers to keep the bar in position. Raise your elbows to lift the upper arms to a position parallel to the floor. Place your heels on an incline board approximately shoulder width apart or slightly wider than shoulder width, with your feet pointing straight ahead or externally rotated up to 15 degrees. Inhale as you lower your body by flexing the hips and knees slowly and under control, keeping your weight over the middle and heel area of your foot. The middle of your knees should be in line with or slightly outside of your second toe. Be sure to maintain a neutral spine and ensure that the upper back is parallel or higher to your shins throughout the movement. Exhale as you press your feet into the ground, extending your hips and knees, and keeping your knees in line with or slightly outside of your second toe, and maintaining a neutral spine. Regarding tempo, there will be 4 numbers which will determine the speed of the movement. The first number is going to be the eccentric portion, or the lowering phase of the movement. The second number is going to be the pause at the bottom of the movement. The third number is going to be the concentric portion, or the lifting phase of the movement. And the fourth number is going to be the pause at the top of the movement. Therefore, a tempo prescription of 5010 will require you to lower the weight for 5 seconds and immediately lift the weight for 1 second without resting at the bottom or top of the movement. A tempo prescription of 3210 will require you to lower the weight for 3 seconds, rest at the bottom position for 2 seconds, and lift the weight for 1 second without resting at the top position. A tempo prescription of 4021 will require you to lower the weight for 4 seconds, lift the weight for 2 seconds without resting at the bottom, and rest for 1 second at the top of the movement before performing the next repetition. A tempo prescription of 2121 will require you to lower the weight for 2 seconds, rest at the bottom position for 1 second, lift the weight for 2 seconds, and rest at the top position for 1 second before performing the next repetition.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for tuning in. If you liked what you saw, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the exercise technique videos. And if you have any questions, ask them down in the comment section and we'll either respond to you directly in the comment section or answer your questions during our weekly Sunday Q&A. Keep fit, have fun, and we'll see you again next week.